What up, YouTube? It's that time of year again. Let's get started. We here March 2026 in New York. Winter finally is over, having dealing with several blizzards and the snow finally melting. It's time to get all my oil changes done. So today I bought this. I'm gonna test this product out. It's called the Elead Master Funnel Engine Oil Kit, and it comes like this. You got a couple of 45-degree elbows. You got a strainer in there, and it has this nice shut-off valve, so you know exactly how many liters you're putting in. Not liters, quarts. I mean, you put into your car. And what's great about this set is it comes with these. These are all the adapters that it come with. You see Kia, Hyundai, Toyota, Lexus, Scion, Subaru, Chrysler, Honda, Nissan, GM, Ford, Mazda, Ford, Volvo, more Toyota, Audi, GM, Chrysler, and your Europeans out there. So today we're going to be changing the oil on my Toyota Tacoma. So they have two of these Toyota adapters. And this thing comes nice with a magnet to stick on your cabinets or whatnot, and they just come out like this. So not sure which one will fit on the Tacoma, but we'll try both of them and see which one fits and get this oil change done in a jiffy. So let's see this thing in action. All right, so I've heard a lot about this new Valvoline Restore and Protect. I'm gonna be using this on this car. So from some research, people are saying that you run this in your car for the first interval at around, I don't know, 1,500 to 3,000 miles, and then you do another oil change afterwards, because all that carbon and junk, sludge, whatever that this thing cleans off reduces the performance of your oil filter. So, I mean, that's what I've heard. So I'm going to follow that interval. So let's put this in the car and see how much better this thing works out. All right, we're here underneath the Tacoma. Got my Fumoto drain valve, got my pan here, and got my oil-free spill mat. Already cracked it open, some oil's coming out. All right, simple as that. And don't forget, there's a clip there. Got my clip right here. Don't lose that. And yeah, just wait until this thing fully drains out, and we'll head back to the top and test that new funnel kit out. All right, now that the oil is drained, let's check out to see. Ooh, condensation. Pretty typical on these Toyotas. Anyways, let's see which one of these caps fit. Nope, not this one. Let's see, this one. Oh, there you go, perfect fit. So if you have a 2013 second gen Toyota Tacoma, use this one here that says Toyota, Lexus, and Scion. So the lime green, that is your adapter. So we got this thing plugged in, of course, swapped out the filter with a new one. So as you can see here, it goes up to 1.5 quarts. Let's start pouring in. All right. First things first is I have the valve stuck closed. So I just wanted to see if this valve is working. So far it is. Let me put this down here. All right, let's open up that valve and see the oil start draining in. All right, there you go. You see it slowly creeping down. No leaks, no fuss. All right, maybe I'll pull out this strainer. I won't need this. So yeah, now it's going down much more faster. I mean, this is good if you're in a dirty environment or on the side of the road and just need to fill up your oil, but we're in my driveway. It's not that windy and it's not that dusty today. Let's continue. All right, so I did spill some. The point of this handle is to hold it while you're pouring the oil in, because if you pour too fast, this thing will start tipping over. So best to do it with two hands. Since I'm recording, that's what happens. So, and now that we're done with 5 quarts, we'll need half a quart. So the last thing we'll do in order to get a precise amount in, shut off that valve and then fill it up to the half quart mark, and then just open up the valve and you'll be done. So here, exactly at the half quart mark, let's just open up the valve and get that last half quart in there. So that's that. There you go, and oil change is done. So after you're done, you just pull out this whole unit here and unscrew the cap adapter and put everything together, and you're done. So let's start up the car and check that oil level out. Got the car running for about 5 minutes or so. Time to check that oil level. All right, let's wipe this thing down. Put that baby back in there. Stop wobbling. Hard to do this with one hand. Okay. All right. Let's see. Whoa. Looks like all the way up to the second dot. So we are good. Let's put this thing back in there. All right. So if you want to check out that oil funnel kit, I'll have a link in the description for that. Also, the Fumoto valves make oil changes so much easier, and oil spill mat. So I'll have all that in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and stay clean.